To download the stock data of any stock from directly from Yahoo Finance, what we can do, we can actually use R, and for doing that conveniently I'm using R Studio, where I just opened a new R script because I want to keep the codes for using later. So at first what we have to do, we have to load two packages, load the tidy verse and tidy quant packages. These two packages will be very useful in downloading and also manipulating the stock market data. So assuming that I already have these two packages installed, I am just loading it. So under library, I'm going to load one by one tidy verse, and then library tidy quant. Okay. In case you do not have it installed, you can install it very easily using install.packages command. So under install.packages you can install one by one. So for example, if you want to install tidyverse, then tidyverse. Okay, if you type this one within the quotation mark and then press enter, then this package will be installed, and after that you can install the tidyquant package. So once the installation is done, then you can load them using this library command. Okay, so because it is already installed in my system, so I am directly loading these two packages one by one. I prefer to load one by one. Anyway, it is done. So now my job is to download the stock prices of Google from Yahoo Finance. Okay, so for doing that, I will be using one function called tq underscore get. tq underscore get, this is the tidyquant function. So under this function, what I will do, I will at first provide the argument get. Okay, get. So to get is actually that will actually provide me the what type of data I will download. So the data that I will download is stock prices, not the dividend split or any other data. So it will be stock prices. Stock, actually it should be within quotation, stock dot prices. But before the type of data that I am going to download, I have to provide the symbol, the quotation, sorry, the symbol or the ticker of the company. So our company, intended company is Google. So if you search in the Yahoo Finance or Google, what is the symbol of Google in Yahoo Finance, then you will get it. So it is actually GOOG. Okay, comma, then you will provide the argument get. What to get? We have to get the stock prices. Okay, so after get, then we have to provide the argument from which date to which date. So it will be from equals within quotation, start with year. Let's say we want to get the data from 2010 1st January, so the month, then day, and comma, then 2, let's say we want to get the data up to 2023 31st December. Okay, 31st December. So up to this we want to get the data. Okay, now if I press Control Enter, actually I should be able to get the data. Yes, you can see in the console that the data is here. Okay, only 10 rows of the data are being shown. It is downloaded in a table format. Then if you want to see all, then you have to use print n equals inf command. Anyway, we are not going to do that. Actually, the better way is to assign this into an object and provide it a name. So what could be the name? Probably we can use the name Google data. That means let's just use a very short name, gg underscore d. Okay. So if we provide this name, then it will be saved in the environment. Now again control enter. Okay, you can see that it is saved here. So if I click here, I can see the data very clearly here. So this is how we can get the stock price data of any stock from Yahoo Finance if it is available there. So it will provide you the symbol of the company in the first column, the date of the stock price data in the second column, and then open price, high price, low price, closing price, volume of trade, and then adjusted price. This adjusted price is very useful because it adjusts for all the stock splits and other things. So this is ready for our analysis. So in the later attempts, we will be analyzing these adjusted prices. Okay, that's all for now.